Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone 15 series freezes or crashes issue. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are facing that their iPhones are getting freeze or crash after opening some apps or using some apps for several times. So guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release your volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. And finally press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After force restart and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check for update. Go to your settings, then go to general, then go to software update and check if there are any available updates. If there are, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. After updating your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to reset all settings. Go to your settings again, then go to general, scroll down, and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and try to fix your issue. This will reset all settings to their default values but won't delete your personal data. After doing this and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to delete and reinstall the app that's causing the freezing or crashing issue. After doing this, you have to restore your iPhone. If none of the above solution or the solution I have tell you doesn't work, then you have to restore your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to your computer, then open iTunes and select your iPhone. Click Restore iPhone and follow the on-screen instruction. This will erase all data on your iPhone, so make sure you have a backup. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.